today we are installing our first window in the van, and I'm terrified. Not really. But what we did, the CR Laurence window comes with this frame that works as a template as well. So we just threw this up on our wall. Goes this way. On our wall, on the door. And then just traced the corners so that we have the curve where we can't see the curve. And then the rest of the cutout just follows the factory punch out there. So I'm going to cut it from the outside. So I'm going to drill pilot holes along my corners and along this line, and then transfer the cutout to the outside. And that way I'll be able to cut a cleaner line from the outside. So we're going to do that now. Can never be too clean. Alright. So we transferred our line to the outside. This will be our cut line. Just followed our holes and then just drew a line around it with the Sharpie. That's it. Now we're going to tape it so we don't scratch up our paint. And then we're going to cut it. I'm ready to cut.
Okay.
Here we go.
Giant hole.
There's a big hole.
Let's see if the window fits.
Yep.
got the hole cut, we got it dry fitted. We had to do a little bit of sanding to get it to fit, but now we're just cleaning it up, getting some of the metal shards off, and then we're gonna put our Rust-Oleum on it and let it dry.
Bend window installation is done. It looks pretty good. Pretty pleased with it. This is one of 5 windows that I think we're installing. Yeah. And this is the easiest one. So, but we got some good practice and we know what we're doing now. So, pretty excited to do the rest of them.
Yeah.
Hopefully soon.
Yeah.
All right. I'll talk to you later.